Hi everyone, welcome to this simple and satisfying crochet coaster tutorial. These little coasters are perfect for keeping your table safe from spills while adding a handmade touch to your space. Whether you're new to crochet or a total pro, I know you can do this. I'll be with you every step of the way. If you enjoy this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more fun projects. Let's dive in. For round one, we're kicking things off with a magic ring. It's easier than it looks, I promise. Here's how. Create a magic ring, then work 2 unfinished double crochets followed by 2 chains. Repeat this. 2 unfinished double crochets, 2 chains, 8 times total. Pull the ring tight and join. You're off to a great start. Well done. Tip: if the magic ring feels tricky, practice it a few times before starting. Next, round 2. For round 2, we're building on that foundation. In each 2 chain space from round 1, work 2 unfinished double crochets, 2 chains, then 2 more unfinished double crochets. Repeat this 8 times all around. You're doing awesome. See how it's shaping up? Tip: keep your chains loose so the next round fits comfortably. For round 3, let's make it grow. In each space, work 3 double crochets, then 1 double crochet in the next stitch, followed by a double crochet increase. That's 2 double crochets in 1 stitch. Repeat this 8 times around. Amazing job, you're crushing it. Tip: count your stitches at the end to stay on track. On to round 4. This one's super easy. All around the coaster, work 2 single crochets followed by 1 chain. Repeat this pattern all the way around. You're halfway there. Look at that progress. Tip, keep your single crochets even for a neat edge. For round 5, we're adding some style. In each chain space, work a double crochet increase. That's 2 double crochets in the same stitch, then 1 chain and skip 2 stitches. Repeat this all around. You've got this. Your coaster is looking so good. Tip, make sure your increases are in the chain spaces for a balanced shape. Round 6 is next. It's the same as round 5, so you're already an expert. Work a double crochet increase, 1 chain, and skip 2 stitches in each space all around. You're so close now. Keep going, you're amazing. Tip, check that your coaster lies flat. Adjust your tension if needed. For round 7, we're keeping it simple. Work a single crochet in every stitch all around the coaster. This round feels so rewarding. Great work sticking with it. Tip, use a slightly looser hook if the edges start to curl. Finally, round 8, our big finish. Work 5 double crochets, skip 1 stitch, 1 single crochet, then skip 1 stitch again. Repeat this 18 times all around. You did it! Your coaster is stunning. Tip: take your time on this round for a crisp, decorative edge. And that's it. Your beautiful crochet coaster is complete. I'm so proud of you for crocheting along with me. If you had fun, please like this video and subscribe for more tutorials. I'd love to see your coasters. Tag me in your creations. Thanks for joining me, and I'll see you in the next project.